Hi guys, this side Vipul Shah. Today I'm going to share 3 common mistakes in F&O trading. First one is trading without proper knowledge and strategy. I have seen that many people invest based on the tips received on WhatsApp and Telegram. Okay, so please have some your own financial planning. Decide how much return you want and accordingly select the stock and accordingly invest. So for that you need to do a lot of research. Second, not opening with new ideas. There are many friends of mine, they follow particular strategy for investment, but I keep on changing my strategy based on market requirements. So please keep on changing your strategy so that you will make more money. Third, overuse of leverage facility. And don't overuse your leverage facility. Whenever you earn profit, keep some amount aside, invest in some other securities. Don't only keep on investing only in stock market, okay, which is called as a greed. So you need to have balance between greed and fear, which will help you to make more money. So please follow these 3 tips. I assure you will have successful and peaceful F&O journey. So thank you for watching this video. Please follow me for more updates. Thank you and bye.